Welcome to What Gear Reviews. Today I'm unboxing the brand new Poco F7 and apparently F stands for flagship. Okay, so I've been doing this for quite a while now and I've seen so many phones, so it does take quite a lot to impress me. So the question is, can this phone do that? Well, we're about to find out. Let's get this out of the box. So the one that I have here is the silver version, 12 gig RAM, 512 gig storage. And of course, it's going to be running on Hyper OS, which is Xiaomi's skin over Android. And of course, they always like to mention that they have all of the Google apps and services since Huawei doesn't. All right, let's see what this is all about. Who remembers the Poco F1? Do you remember how much of a legend that phone was? It completely changed the budget smartphone game. What's the bet we do get a case? Yep, it is a solid color case. It's a dark gray. So this case has a really nice soft touch to it, and it's a lot more flexible and softer than those see-through silicone ones that you usually get with budget phones. Now this phone is actually wrapped in some plastic that highlights some of the key specs of the handset, which I am not allowed to show you right now because those specs are under embargo until later this month. At this point in time, I'm only allowed to show you guys the designs. I can show you the back of the plastic though. And check out the back of that phone. Okay, so I have never seen a phone look quite like this. Check out that. It's got the Snapdragon logo on the phone itself underneath the back glass or plastic or whatever this is. I'm assuming it's actually plastic, but it looks like glass. And even the camera module underneath the surface has this kind of green reflective stripe, which looks really, really cool. And there's a ton of detail here. So it says limited edition right here. We've got this kind of copper looking section here, which is probably just decoration. It looks like you've got 3 LED flashes, 2 cameras, and then up here it says 50 megapixel OIS. So I'm assuming that's the primary camera. It does have optical image stabilization. And I really like how the light kind of refracts off of that Qualcomm Snapdragon logo right there. And then also we've got this little red accent here at the top. Very nice. And then we've got a little bit Poco branding in the lower right corner. That's way more subtle than some of those other phones that had big bold letters right down the back. I 100% prefer this approach. And even the frame looks really, really nice. It looks very iPhone-ish. You got these kind of rounded edges. In fact, I think the Poco is even more rounded right on the corners, which is nice. It is a little bit of a fingerprint magnet though, but yeah, I like it. Anyway, let's see what else is in here. A USB-A to USB-C charging cable with a little bit of an orange accent on it. And a 90-watt charging brick. Very nice. Designed by Xiaomi. Of course, we've got the SIM ejector tool, so let's get this off and have a look at this SIM tray. That is a dual SIM tray, no memory expansion, unfortunately. And of course, Poco do fit a screen protector on here. The screen looks really nice straight away, and it does really feel very familiar to me. A bit too familiar, because I have been using the iPhone a little bit recently. Now, one of the things I want to know is, do we have stereo speakers on here? What kind of chip is it running? What kind of power we got in there? What kind of vapor cooling chamber? What kind of RAM? What type? Storage, what type of USB port, all these different things I cannot talk about in this video, unfortunately. All I can do is show you this design, which I am a fan of. Immediately, this stands out from every other phone that I have on the shelf back there right now. It does look like a gaming phone to me, which might suggest that this has a very powerful Snapdragon chip in it, and of course that logo on the back right there kind of gives that away. Anyway, that's been a quick unboxing, first look at the brand new Poco F7, not the Ultra, not the Pro, the regular one. Let me know what you think of the design on this. Normally I just do short videos for these kind of things, but I kind of wanted to do something a bit different with this one, because I've got this kind of new backdrop that I wanted to test out. Let me know what you think of it. Anyway, I appreciate you guys for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one. Don't be late.